So hello Nishita ma'am. Well, I'll start with a very simple question that can you please explain your startup in 3 words?
It's a health tech platform which is into like digitalization of health records on one side for the parent users, and the other side we are integrating it with a small pediatric clinic. So it's for like clinic SaaS model like.
Okay. So what was the aha moment for this business idea or the startup?
And the story is a bit too personal. Like I have been I'm a mother of premature twins, like, and they were in an NICU for 2 months. So with, as you say, the double the joy comes with double the trouble of paperwork. So what I found was India is still relying on paper files. We have been like telling like it's a digital India and all those slogans are there, but it still relies on the paper file. So my motto is to like digitalization of health records. When everything is getting digitalized, why not this?
We are entering into the digital era, so why not?
Yeah.
So okay, how you think that your business is going to help the problems of society?
When it comes to India, like we are still relying on the paper files. When we visit the doctors, we carry those. Like it's bit difficult for the doctors also to refer to the papers. Like if it's not chronologically ordered, like so they find it like. And when it comes like. I'm not saying like, but in the bad times, if you need to refer for the old reports and prescription, and if it get misplaced, then there's a chance of like something mishappen can happen. So why not like have a something where it is on your fingertip? You don't need to carry your paper file. It is when we are adapting the Western countries, so why not in the tech platform? So that's the motto behind it.
Okay. And what if your business next day your business become a unicorn? What would be the first step you like to contribute in this country?
I will be working for the CSR activities. It's not something like I'm in this platform, then I have, because I come from a first generation of entrepreneurial family. Like, so my motto is like when I have achieved something, why not giving back to the society? Like,
Yeah, that's so perfect.
Thank
It's a
you.
nice conversation with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.